OCO everyone, it's Philip Encroaching with iamCREATUREscience at iamCREATUREscience.com. iamCREATUREscience is now partnered with Chef Khai, cuisine extraordinaire of KT Foodies, to be the expert and guide you in the kitchen with meal preparation throughout your respective health journeys. Never let the unknown or lack of competency hinder you from healing your best self and discovering the innate creature in you again.
What's up, everybody? This is KT Foodies. I'm Chef Khai, and I'm here with iamCREATUREscience, showing you guys the proper fruit bowl and smoothie mix for how to cut a pineapple. So here we have a nice pineapple. What we're going to do is we're going to lay it flat on the side, We're going to cut the head of it. And then we're going to cut the bottom of it as well. There we go. Bada boom, bada bang. And next thing we do, I'm going to cut the skin off of it so I don't have to worry about the complications of trying to take it off when I already have my cuts. Nice. And pineapples get pretty slippery, so be careful. Make sure your hands are very in placement when you're cutting, so you don't slip up and cut your hand. There we go. Now we have the pineapple, right? Move this to the side. We also can cut these parts off too, but you still fine. I want to get as much fruit as possible on my pineapple, so I don't mind eating these little brown spots. Next, I want to do, I cut this in half. So you cut in the pineapple, you can tell where the seed is. So the seed is going to be in the middle, and the seed kind of goes up in this kind of pattern, and the fruit just comes and stretches on the opposite side. What I want to do, I like to do like a nice little triangle cut in there to go ahead and get that whole seed out. There we go. There you see the seed. Also a little piece right here. You can go ahead and eat up. Dice that bad boy. And therefore, you start your dice. I like to put it this way so it's easier for me to go ahead and cut and slice. I do another cut half diagonal, let's do the horizontal. Very simple. Nice and easy. You got nice fresh cuts. You go ahead and proceed with the second part. And depending on how you want the size to be is exactly how you would cut it. So it's all in your hands, you are in control. Just make sure you use a sharp knife, and your hands are very firm on the fruit because it is slippery and you can slip up and cut yourself, so be careful. Same thing goes for this part. I have my seeds right here. So I want to go ahead and make a triangle cut in there. Alright, there we go. You can also tell because the seed is harder too. You would know when you eat the seed. Even if you don't want to do the cut, you can just cut it like this. And you still can tell the seed. So you don't, if you mess up, it's okay. It's always a way to fix. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, So people have the cans for pineapples. This way you have a lot more pineapples. It's a lot fresher as well, and it's honestly cheaper.